Alright, so we're changing the rear brake pad for Range Rover Evoque 2016. So, but first of all, we need to put it into maintenance mode, the brake maintenance mode. In order to do that, you need to press your gas pedal, turn the ignition on, and push the brake forward, and turn off the ignition mode. Turn it back on, and now it goes into maintenance mode. So now you can go ahead and replace the brake pad. So in some cases, before you remove the caliper, yeah, I almost call it bracket. So the caliper, before you remove the caliper, you want to have a suspension that's gonna hold the caliper, so that way you're not gonna mess with the pipe, the fluid pipe, or the fluid hose, and the automatic component that is connected to the brake, because this is the electronic parts. You want to make sure you don't damage this right replacing the brake. The fluid hose. So now, sure, once you do that, it's easy to come out. See that? All out. Boom. So this is what I'm saying. So you have to hold this part, and just for you to suspend this, so that way you're not gonna put pressure or tension on the hose. So it's gonna go this way. I'll show you, because I'm using one hand. I'm gonna show you where I suspend mine, so that way, you know. But for the meantime, you can, you know, do this. See that? So that way, see. Let me show you. So you see that? So that way, you see now, it's not resting on either of the wires or the hose. It's moving freely. So let's replace the brake now. So here is my Dura. Oh, Duralast Gold. That's what I'm using. This one. So I'm gonna go one by one. So take this out. I'm just gonna keep this. This is not that bad, but you know, yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad, but let's proceed. Okay, see, when you do the same thing, you wanna give it a little bang, make sure it's close to the rotor or whatever they call that. So now the second part is, so now always make sure the brown side go in first. So see. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's close. Tight, close. So now, you know, I mentioned the caliper. So this is what we do with the caliper. Because if you bring this back, it's not gonna go in because of the brake push. There's not much room to go back there. So this is where we need the caliper to push this a little bit backward, and that we're gonna have a free room to put it back. So in order to achieve that, that's why I said you use your G-clamp. I use my G-clamp, go this way. Okay, hold on guys, don't worry. Let me put this a little bit backward so that we're not gonna mess with the camera. So tension or pressure, nothing. See that? Then you return the two up, top and bottom both on the caliper. You know, apparently we're done. You know, so just make sure you wash the first part, and that way you're not gonna rip off your brake or mess up the brake automatic parking sensor, because I think that's why you have to put it into brake maintenance mode as being shown in the part 1. So we are done. done. That's it. So you see the clearance, but once you, it's gonna be pushed towards us, like throw the brake towards us, and you turn on the ignition, you draw the brake towards you, see, it goes off for maintenance mode, and you turn it off. So to make sure you release the brake, you turn on the ignition mode, and you check the dashboard and make sure it's not showing brake in maintenance mode. That means we're good.